have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be.
Hey, my name is Meg, and today I'm bringing to you a junk journal video, but it's slightly different. So I'm an ambassador for Grace and Salt Ink, who you might know make really beautiful like leather travelers notebooks, and I'm super excited because she is releasing a new sort of product, and she contacted me a while ago and said would I like to try it out for her, send her some photos, and basically what it is it's a junk journal, but it's using like her leather covers, but the whole concept of it is to use offcuts. So I really like that she's trying to sort of upcycle and not let anything go to waste, which means that all of the junkDoris, as she's calling them, which I think is super cute, all of the junkDoris are different sizes and shapes, different leathers. So she picked the mustard leather for me, which, because she knows I obviously love my mustard, and this one I believe is about 4 by 4 inches, and I think the size is just like really cute, super dinky, but like great for, you know, even if you wanted to take it on the go. And I've not worked in a size quite like this before, so I was really excited. So I did ask her to put an elastic on mine, just because I knew that I would put so much stuff in it and it would get bulky. And then she pops these little rings on the side so that you can take pages out, pop pages in, move things around, you know, you can expand it. And it's got room obviously then to grow as you use it. So she pops in a range of different papers to get you started, and she's also including, if I find an example, like Moleskine papers. I went ahead and like tea dyed mine, just to sort of give it a bit more of a vintagey look. So she's included all sorts of different papers, matte papers, like vintage like book papers, got music paper that folds out, just all sorts of different papers, true junk journal style. So I've been working on mine, and I included this little tag, and I've just been sort of adding things in, adding ribbons, making little pockets. I just think it's super cute. I added in some brown paper and did a little fold out that will be really interesting to journal it with. Just collaging, collecting different things. I made a little pocket, just all sorts of different bits and pieces. So what I thought I would do for today's video is do a junk journal page for you in this little junkDori. So I'm gonna pick some pages that I like. Let's see. I'm almost spoilt for choice here, aren't I? Let's see. I think we'll go for this one. So I've just gathered like all sorts of bits and pieces. So I will probably pop some music on and create a junk journal page for you. So enjoy.
don't know who you're gonna meet. You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know